Hello everyone, myself Dr. Jyoti Mandala. Welcome you all to the video lecture series on the course Shell Programming. We are learning multiple commands, the different types of commands we have in the Shell Programming. So in this lecture we'll see about CAL command. So let us see what is this command is and what is the syntax of this command and what are all the options we have with this cal command. So as the name itself suggests, cal command is used to view the calendar. Like if you want to view the calendar in the terminal itself, then you can go with this cal command. Okay, so make a note of this one, all of you. It is used to view the calendar in the terminal. Alright, now understand here, by default it will show the current month calendar. So whichever month you are executing that program, that current month calendar by default it will show. So by default current month calendar will be displayed. Okay, so what is the syntax of this one? So now let us note down the syntax for this one. Syntax is, this will have a command called CAL, all small letters, CAL, and then we can have options. In that option we can specify the year, or else along with that year if you specify a particular month, then also that will be specified. So this is what the syntax will be. Okay, so it is used to view the current month calendar, and also if you want to display a specific year, a specific month, then also we can go with that, but that is optional. Let us see the different ways of using this calendar command. Okay, so note down all of you. We'll see one by one what are all the different ways of using that. The first way is with no options, we are directly writing CAL. So what is the use of this one? If you are doing like this, this will display current month calendar. Oh, calendar spelling is wrong. Alright, okay. So this is the use of this CAL command. Let us see that first. Okay, then my terminal I need to run. So in that terminal I need to write CAL. So this is the current month calendar, January 2022, and today's date will be highlighted. Got it? We'll see the next option. The second option is cal -y. Now what is the use of this one is, if you specify any if you want to see the complete year calendar, then you can go with this one, where the today's date will be highlighted in that also. So this shows complete year calendar. So if you give -y option, then you will get this. So what you need to do, cal -y. Then you can see here from January to December complete year calendar is displayed, and today's date is highlighted here. Did you see? That is what the use of this option is. We'll see the next option. Suppose if you want to see a specific month and year, then in that case you need to go with the third option, that is cal command, where you need to specify the particular month and year. Like cal, mention the month and then mention the year. I'll show one example, like specific month year calendar. Okay, let us see that one. One example I'll take here. Cal, I want to see 08 month 2021 calendar. Did you see? This is how it will be displayed. Another option we'll see, for not a specific month, you want to see complete year for a specific year, then you need to specify the year. So calendar of specific year. Okay, let me show you the output. So here August is displayed, but now if I mention 2021, no, from Jan to December, all the months calendar will be displayed. Okay, and one more option. If you see here, you could not see the complete thing. Like I'll show once again. What happened? If I type like this, no, Jan, Feb, March, those three are not visible to us. But if you want to see that on page by page, if you want to see, I think you all know this option. We have already learned in the previous commands when we are learning. You need to use pipe symbol and then you need to use more. Okay. Then page by page. First Jan, Feb, March will be displayed, and if you are okay, if you have seen all these months, then click space and then you will get the rest of it. So page by page, if you want to display, then you can go with this one. Suppose if you want to display one more option is there. I'll write this option also for your reference. Cal year more. That means page by page. Next, one more option is if you want to display a calendar of current to this month, previous month and next month. Okay, in that case you can go with this one -3. So this will display current, previous and next month calendar. I'll show you. Cal -3. So I am in January 2022. So present, past 1 year, 1 month, and the next 1 month calendar is completely displayed. Today's date is highlighted. Okay. Next one. Next option we'll see. As of now, our calendar is displayed in the form of. I'll show you. One more format is there, like Georgian calendar. Ours is Georgian. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'll write down that. The format of that calendar is after 31st January, no, like after every month end, you will be getting like month end maybe 30 or 31st. The next day it will reset the day to 1. Okay, that is called as that way is called as, I'll write down here. You can read it that. Okay. How you read it that? Georgian. Okay, calendar. But we have another fashion of calendar also. That is called as Julian calendar, where in this Julian calendar what happens, no, even the month end reached, the next day will not be reset to 1, the count increases. Let us consider you have reached to 31st January, then the next day will not be the 1st February, it will be like 31st February, and then 32 February, then 33 February. It is not like 1, 2, 3. So such a calendar is called as Julian calendar. Okay, if you want to have such an option, then you can go with cal -G. Okay, if you want to have this option, then you will get the calendar in the form of Julian calendar format. I'll show you that. Did you see here August 31st? The next one is we got 1st, right? But if you see my cal -J, if you see, then our cal -J -3. Let me check whether it will work or not. Did you see here? After 31st January, we are getting 32 February. It is not like it will be reset to 1. Such a calendar is called as Julian calendar. Alright. So these are all the different ways of using the calendar options. Okay. This is the syntax. You can specify the month and year, and according to your requirement, you can see the particular month and year, or if you want to display the current or previous or next month calendar, or Julian calendar way if you want to display. Okay, in that fashion you can accordingly you can use these options. I hope you all are clear with this calendar command. Okay, let us all meet in the next lecture with another command. Until then, thank you all of you.